to your little Lucas, Siliafi. Yeah, Siliafi with the family. And thank everyone, thank your dad and all the children that come all the way from up north to be with me today. Yeah, last night I sit up and do those fufu. First time for me to do those style of fufu, but I really done it. It was beautiful to have you with that. I don't have anything for you. I just my love and appreciate who you turn out to be. Be single until, like what your mom said, until she's gone. Then you can get down. No, don't get anything. Just stay like that. So we can be freely able to go to them when they want to.
You're right. I'm with you, Sister Melly.
Yeah, be free. Grow up to be humble. Look after your mom, like your the Reverend advised you today. Look after your mom, because we only have one mom, all of us. You'll never find another mom like that. I know the feeling because my mom's can only be your mom. Yeah, we know the feeling of having no mom around. But look after your mom and look after your dad too. And your brothers. I'm so proud of you to turn out to be still single when you're 21. A lot of girls today, all what they do is grow up and then having pushchairs around, a guy holding hands. It's but never mind, that's why. That's how some other people turn out to the choices they have. But I'm proud of who you turn out to be. Still single at almost 21. Yeah. I love having you around. I miss having you when you're not around. Even though you're just driving, I really appreciate that. And then say, hi Auntie Mele. Okay, thank you everyone. It's nice meeting everyone. Haven't seen some families that haven't seen for a while. English pretty sister. Thank to see you again. May God richly bless you. And look after yourself and keep on working. And save a lot of money so we can go to Africa. You went to party. Yeah. I think that's all what I want to say. Thank you, Beth, for inviting me. And thank you for being there for me. I know you're always there for me, you and the girls and the boys.
Girls and boys, love you too, Auntie Melly.
Yeah.
Okay, give it up for Auntie Melly.
Anyway, so we can dance.
You can dance. Come on, Bert.
And they play a new piece, please. And we cannot dance. Oh, gonna show our dance.
Come on, Charlie. Charlie Silvergrass, come. Faithy, go up in here and wait to dance with.
Faith, come on. You're going to dance with your aunties now.
Well, I've got no choice. Excuse me. Yeah, that's the weekend.
No, it's song now. The song's on now.
Come on, everybody.
Wait till after this one. The song's on now. Na aya tau ua aya onga tau ke ita moi Can you hold it for me when I go? there, you're going to have a...
Excuse me, family. We've still got some more.
Speeches.
We've still got some more speeches. We've got Anicia, Malu, and Crystal.
But
They have
Paula's
something
there.
for the girls.
Paula's for us.
So I'll just give you. Oh no, sorry, Sister Paula first. Sorry, Sister.
She was
Paula
waiting.
first, and then the girls. Okay. Hiya. Go in.
I want